Solving your Honeywell thermostat lighting issue.
Hello there. Today we're going to troubleshoot an issue that many Honeywell thermostat users encounter, the thermostat not lighting up. This could be due to a variety of reasons such as power problems, wiring issues, or a malfunctioning thermostat. Let's break these down and help you get that thermostat lighting up again.
Could it be a power issue?
One of the most common reasons why your Honeywell thermostat may not be lighting up is because it might not be getting power. Check if there's a power outage in your home or if the thermostat's power switch is turned off. If it runs on batteries, they might be out of power. In this case, try replacing the batteries and see if the problem resolves.
Could it be a wiring problem?
If the thermostat is getting power but still not lighting up, it's possible there's a wiring issue. Ensure the thermostat is properly wired to the HVAC system. Disconnect and reconnect the wiring if needed, but always remember to turn off the power before handling the wiring to prevent any possible accidents.
Could the thermostat be malfunctioning?
If power and wiring aren't the problem, the thermostat itself might be malfunctioning. There could be an issue with the display or the thermostat might be broken. Consider getting a professional to inspect the thermostat, or if it's old, it might be time for a replacement. I hope this has been helpful in pinpointing why your Honeywell thermostat isn't lighting up. By checking the power, wiring, and the thermostat itself, you should be able to figure out the issue. As always, when dealing with electrical appliances, safety should be your top priority. Don't hesitate to call a professional if you're unsure about any of these steps. Stay safe and warm.